Hello friends, welcome back to QGIS Basic course. In this video, we will learn how to view your photos using map tooltip. You have attached your photo, define the path in attribute table, then how to view your photo in using map tooltip. So let's get started. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel. And this is my Learn QGIS Basics playlist. Please save this playlist and bookmark this playlist using this star. Let's get started. First we have to create a point layer or a line layer. I'm just creating a point layer, new temporary sketch layer. Let's name its point, its geometry type point. I'll give projection 4326 and add a field name photograph and give it size 254, maximum size. Add to field list. Now I added this photograph field to the point layer. So this is my point layer and I will show you this is my photograph. So first I'll place my points. This is first point, this is my second point, and this is my third point, and this one is fourth point. So here these are the 4 points. For existing table, what you have to do, or you can create a new table, you can do this at the same time also. So this is my photograph. So change the photograph column to the to attachment. Change the photograph column to the attachment. So by default photograph is creating as a text edit, so I'm just click here and change it to attachment. This is my attachment. Now change it to attachment. In earlier videos I tell you how to attach the photos and view in attribute table or a identification table. Just look at your right, you will have a link over of that video. So if you add this attachment and you can select image, you can view your photo in identification also. So I'm just doing this also and click OK. Now we have to add the photos. So just click toggle editing, take the information of this point and open the attribute table. Now attach the photo from here. It's photo of bridge 1, again photo of second bridge, it's a second bridge, and third bridge, this is my third bridge, and this one is fourth bridge. So this is fourth bridge. So all my pictures are attached to it. Now I want to see these photos using this map tooltip. So we have to make some changes to map tooltip properties. So what was that? Just click on here, open the attribute layer properties, click on display, and here you have to write some HTML code. It is a small code, not large one. img src equals to, insert the photograph field and define the height. I'm just giving it height equal to 300, width equal to 300. That's it, and click OK. Now I had added the photos. If I hover the mouse over here, it will show us a blank. This means it is the HTML we have defined is working, but we are missing somewhere something. So what we have to do, we have to just identify this, and you will see we have defined the attachment as a image view, and you will see the image below here. But for viewing in map tooltip, we have to use this file colon slash 3 slashes and click OK. Now you will see the photograph of image. If you are still unable to view, as you see, I am not able to view the image of bridge here, so I have to change here also, file colon slash OK. Now you will see here, you will able to view image here. If you have many fields, if you have, I have here only 4 points. If you have large number of points, then how to do that? You have to use the, suppose these two don't have this field added here, so how to do that? In a bulk mode, just use the field calculator. Okay, I'm just using here also, here only I'm just using expression here. I'm using file, oh sorry, file colon triple slash pipe. Now this will concat the this word to the file. Okay, I'm just applying these only to these two fields, so I'll click update selected, and you will see this will add it to photograph column. So just click save, toggle editing off. Now you will see, I just deselect it. Now you will see you can view the photos here. Oh, we are not able to see the image here, so what happening here? I have to see file. Okay, if you are unable to see some pictures, then we have to add double quotes here. Just quoting it, this photograph, and within double quotes. Okay, now we'll see. Now you can visible it. This happened because in this point we have space here, so we have to define a double quote in this. Oh sorry, we have to define double quote in display here. If you define display, if there is some space between photograph, then you can use this. So this is how you can attach your photographs to the point layer or any layer. You can do it in polygon also or line also. So that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel and save this playlist. If you have any question, please write in comment. I'll try to make videos and trying to solve your questions. Thank you.